Okay. Bye bye, little birdie.
Bye bye, Joe. Perché il tenello quasi fighito.
Yeah, he closed the eye. Close the eye.
Oi, oi, oi. There's a worm there too. You're so cute. Bye bye.
Okay, Aston, you say goodbye to him.
Bye bye.
Okay, leave it there, Ella. Leave it. Leave it. We're gonna. Okay. Don't cry. You can cry. I mean, you didn't even know him, so if it would have been your bird, you would be crying like crazy. This was just a wild bird that had a bad incident. And why did he hit the window?
It's because he had the eye closed.
Do you remember that movie with the what's it called? The one that brings the babies. What was the name of the movie? And they were transporting babies, and they changed the business, and they explain, oh, birds don't see glass. So birds don't see glass. They don't see the windows, the glass in the windows. So that's why he was flying super fast and hit the window and died on the impact. I tried to do CPR with the finger. I tried to reanimate him, like boom, boom, but he died. It was too late. Okay, are you gonna do?
Mama.
Are you gonna do a cross?
Yes, are you ready to do?
But that's a stick. A cross. It's with another stick like this. So you can do another one.
Bye bye. We see you later, mommy. Bye bye, mommy. Hej då, mamma. Jag har hittat en liten fågel som flög genom fönstret. Varför fåglar, de ser inte fönstret. Han flög så himla fort och sen han slog sig. Hej då.
Bye bye.
Vi ser oss fredag.
Okay, shall we say goodbye to your YouTube channel?
Bye bye, YouTube channel.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
If you like our stories.
Bye bye, mommy.
Okay, bye guys.